The Cleverreach Preference Center is a great tool that lets you learn even more about your recipient's preferences. This feature lets you use a form in your newsletter to collect info about subscribers' interests, sending preferences, and other details. You can find the Preference Center under Forms, Add Form, and Preference Center. As you can see, the form already includes some default settings. For example, there is a text field for the name, a drop-down menu for simple selections, such as gender, and checkboxes for multiple selections. For text fields, you can specify if input is required and where the data should be saved. For checkbox and drop-down fields, you can choose to save the information as tags or in a specific field. Similar to the newsletter editor, you can select preset colors and fonts for the form under Design, or save custom colors for the Preference Center. To edit the text of the form's success and error messages, click the gear icon. Once your Preference Center is ready, just click Continue to go to the overview. You can edit the form's name if needed, copy the link to the form, and paste it into your newsletter. You can also find instructions on how to use the Preference Center. In the Advanced Settings, you can specify the domain under which your Preference Center can be accessed. You can also add tags to people who are filling out the form for the first time. Have you already set up your Preference Center? In the newsletter editor, you'll find the form in the settings under the Preference Center standard element. You can also add the link to your Preference Center directly into the newsletter template. Also, the Preference Center only works for emails that have already been sent. If you want more information about managing recipients, please check out our Help Center.